Hi guys, I'm Elder Lewis, founder of Magma Networks, and today we're here to present you Magma Networks, what it is, what's their core values, what do we do, what brands we represent in all our services as well. So Magma was raised from one brand and one brand only called Ubiquiti, with an ecosystem from UniFi. We do full stack installations from networks, Wi-Fi, and by security systems, I mean cameras, door access, and integrations like EV chargers, backup LTEs, you name it, all their equipment that they provide. We see that it's not a brand that's being fulfilled by all the security companies out there. We want it to be distinguished and show the market what Ubiquiti is all about and why we chose Ubiquiti as just one brand for our company. So our main core of projects is business owners, commercial, high-end homes, stuff that needs a good design, a good planning, something that's not just for now, but for now and the future, something that can be upscaled, that has thought to it, that has engineering behind it. We think that most of the projects, like even every project, should be designed properly before deploying it. So that's the main core of our values, is design it properly first time to have a solid base and not having surprises in the future, and always with opportunity to upscale in CCTV or access or other integrations for our end customers. Our core philosophy is to listen to the client. So we have the knowledge of all the equipment. We've been trained and certified from Ubiquiti. We have certifications from CompTIA and memberships from BICSI. So that stands our grounds in what we know and what we, how we design stuff with premium design. And that's how we want to see. We want to hear the customer, we want to present to the customer, and then discuss with the customer what's needs to be done and to fulfill a stress relief project. So a project that he can trust, a project that can be upscale in the future, easy to upscale, and a project that will not give him headaches. And especially with Ubiquiti, that's one of the main reasons, is not having license fees. You buy the equipment is yours, and it has to work independently. You don't need to pay a service to keep your equipment running. It's yours. That's our main course. So the reason why we want to have just UniFi as a unified system, instead of having multiple companies or third parties involved, is one platform, one visibility, one way to manage everything in just one console or one browser. No need for another logins, no need for other passwords, different management systems. So you're basically just getting to one system and managing everything from one. Visibility is really important, and from one platform, having your whole scope of work that you need to manage is just beautiful. It's just simple, and it makes a lot of sense. The first thing that I think that if hiring an integrator, the client should pay attention to is presenting what they need and then listening to feedback. Besides listening to the feedback, is understanding if that integrator is going to provide you more than just an invoice. Documentation, design-wise, how things are going to be implemented. You know, in today's days, it's just simple to present an invoice and the scope of work is this. We think there has to be more than just that. There needs to be thought, there needs to be a discussion, and things need to be laid before the project even starts, so we know our value, where we start on. So where does Magma come from? Magma comes from, personally myself, I come from a 15 years experience in troubleshooting electronics and software devices, including high voltage equipment in the automotive industry. And what that allows me to understand is how difficult troubleshooting can be. And troubleshooting can be difficult if the system is not properly designed. So one of the reason we choose Ubiquiti is because it's not because it's simple. And when I mean it's not simple, it's a simple product, but you have to put things in place and program it properly for not to have any problems. Customization is one of the features that we like a lot, and the simplicity of customizing each project to individual needs is what we want to see. So if you're a customer and you want to reach out to us and just get some feedback or just an opinion of what your installation should look like or how it should be done, feel free to call us or send us a message or email. I'll be glad to help you guys out. And we're here for that with our expertise from Ubiquiti UniFi products.